What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And as promised, guys, we are heading to the drag strip. We're gonna try and hit this 10-second pass. Although I am going to say it now, I don't think it's gonna happen. We'll get close, but I don't think it's gonna happen. As you guys know, I'm still waiting on wheels. I don't have the right tires for this right now. I'm gonna do this shit on run flats, so it's gonna be a reach. On top of that, my ethanol content is not where I wanted to be. I made a mistake that I'm never going to make again, and that's not having the exact fuel that I need for this. Off the pump, I can get anywhere between 51 and 83% ethanol content, but I had a little bit of 93 in the reserves of the tank, and turns out it averaged out to like E70. Now in this case, there's nothing else I can do from the pump other than keep filling it until I can possibly get it higher, or add a little bit of an X98, which is the only compatible fuel with E85 that I can put in this car. So that being said, I have also over a half a tank of gas, which is too much. I can literally do a pass on an eighth of a tank, if not less, without having any fuel pressure issues. So, you know, the odds are stacked up against us. I think right now the car with me in is 4,057 pounds, which is, she's heavy. She's heavy. So, you know, we're just gonna give it our best shot. We're still on run flats. I'm gonna take the air out of the tires a little bit, maybe 5-6 pounds out of it, see how it does. But all in all, I'm ready. It's the season opener at this track. That's another thing. I don't know how many cars are there. It's only open till 6 p.m. I'm gonna get there by 3. It's 2:20 right now, so it's gonna be a very, very tough situation for me to even possibly get as many passes as I need to get in, and also be able to hit this 10-second pass today. So whether we get it or not, I definitely need to seat time again. It's been a while since I've been at a racetrack. I mean, we've been testing on the street, but of course the track is what we actually focus. So we're gonna hit this 10-second pass sometime in the near future, whether it happens today or some other point, guys. I'm just bringing you guys along for the experience, but other than that, stay tuned, guys. All right, guys, so we're pulling up here to the racetrack, US 131 in Martin, Michigan. Hopefully it's not too packed. From the looks of it, there's no wait in the booth here, so maybe we'll have a good empty track that we can make multiple passes on. So get with you guys after I get all teched in and everything. All right, guys, it is currently 3:19. I got about 20-30 cars in front of me, so I'm probably only gonna get one pass in today. And right now there's no cars running. I'm already teched in and everything, so I'm just waiting to get a shot at it. I figured today being the first day of the season, I wasn't gonna get a shot, so you know, it happens. But other than that, we're ready to go. Helmet check, tablet check, Dragy mount check, everything's good to go. Let me just mess with my tire pressures here real quick. Other than that, I think I'm all set. Now, I know I'm going to get asked in the comments, hey, where's the slip? Where's the slip? Well, here's the slip. I'm just showing you. You guys saw the Dragy video, but here's the actual slip of the pass. This was the first one. The Dragy was 1141 at 123. This was the actual slip was 1140 at 123. And the second slip, I believe, was 1134. Here, let me see if I can focus on the camera. 1134 on here, and the Dragy was 1133. So pretty close, guys, pretty damn close at 123 as well. So the Dragy is definitely pretty accurate, especially as a tool to use to test on the street, so I highly recommend it. What's up, guys? Good morning. It's the next day. The reason you're seeing this footage from the following day is because after I left the track, I shot a clip with me just telling you guys how the day went, kind of like a recap. but my footage was no good. There was no sound to it, and I couldn't use it. So I do apologize for that, for not giving it to you right when it happened. But other than that, guys, like I said, this 10-second pass is not going to be given to me. It's going to be hard to get on stock turbo, stock transmission, stock bottom end, all that good stuff. So I don't want to just blabber on and go on about it, but I need you guys to understand that these tires are, I'm literally pushing them further than they already should be pushed. So just be patient. We are going to get this 10-second pass in the future. It's just a matter of when, and I'm sure you guys are just, you know, here to witness the journey. So stay tuned, and we're going to get that 10-second pass no matter what. But I do appreciate you guys tuning in as always, and thanks for watching.